today we will do the Cool Whip challenge. So basically, we made this challenge up. It's not really a challenge. It might be a real challenge, but we made it up. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take this Cool Whip and put it on your plate, and you're supposed to see who can eat it the fastest. Let's get started.
On the count of 3, keep your hands behind your back, and we're not going to time it. We're just going to see who can eat the most in a short amount of time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Talk about stomach aches. And let's see, what time of night is it? 9:15 at night? Good thing you don't have school tomorrow.
No.
Huh?
Like lots of stuff.
That's it! Freestyle!
Oh, freestyle. Okay, Ben's going freestyle.
Same here.
You're using your hands though. Oh, you're not supposed to. All right, keep going.
Oh my god, boy.
Oh my god!
Look at Blake.
That's it! Freestyle!
Didn't do it.
All right, guys. So who do you think ate the most? Look at your plates.
I think Blake.
Blake is wearing the most, with no doubt.
Well then, I won.
Ooh.
Go ahead and sniff this for me. Oh, sniff it.
Okay.
Sniff it. Smell it. Come on, smell it.
Oh.
All right. So Brooke, I don't know if she won. Who won? Who do you think won?
Let's see.
Not
Let's go to the
That's it!
place to see.
That's a pretty good amount. I'm gonna have to say
Blake.
Blake.
But Blake's wearing all of it. Am I? Not anymore.
That looks like a draw. Really. I mean, it's
Oh
impossible.
my god!
Without weighing it, it's impossible
Yeah,
to
it
tell.
is.
But it's
Right.
fun anyway, right? That's the point of it.
Okay guys, so that's all for today. Pie time.
You're doing it wrong, people. It's like this.
Chocolate cake!
I think I yell at my team.
Can you take a picture?
Oh,
Hold on, let's get the picture from the front. Wait a minute, 1,